that tells you that this is the Arona thing. I think this is new as well.
And you're done filming.
Probably. Almost yeah, always getting it right. Seem to oh yeah, there's also some suitcases behind the guy. Yes. Much greener, I think. I thought it was much greener last time. Was it always this empty? Yeah. It's from here. You see, we never notice if you look at the name of that restaurant.
Diana.
No, this one is called the Castle.
Oh, that one. Root tapas.
Yeah. So that roof is somewhat special because it has all the flags, even the Belgian flag and the Spanish flag on the top there. He's pretending to watch something. Anyway, shall we? Are we climbing the stairs or not?
Huge crab. Watch out, it goes down here. A huge crab there on the top.
Oh yeah, I can take it.
I think it's my zoom.
I'll try with my iPhone. I need to use a video. Can actually, let me make a video actually of this place.
It's against the sun.
Yeah, I'm just trying to, let's say I'm going to go this. Almost like the 360s. Except me, myself. Including myself. Yeah. Alright. It's almost like a fake 360. Let's we might want, if we want to avoid the stairs.
No, I'm alright. It's good. I'm more worried about you than about me. It's your knee.
Right. Let's try. My knees are not the best in the world.
Ma tu vada, vengo ai 26 che lavoro nel palo delle altre robe.
Voilà. There we go. there than usual. Because where we usually stand at the top, we now have
Extra
seats.
tables there, I think.
Yeah. So we are losing all the break. I'll take the, yeah, let's just, we have already this part in many other videos, but I need to check that Macaronesia at some point. Because of the, well, because of the heat, they lose far more quickly than, and I can't quite see the screen. So I'm filming blindly. But we do have this part in many other recording. Let's see. Voilà. Some Tenerife hats. That's beer. They seem to have my name on it. Can get a special massage for time.
Oh, this is new. This was not here before.
Yeah. Do you want to go in?
No.
Can I take one cup of it?
On the way back.
Exactly. We still have a small section where we can hang because the other one is taken. Yeah, it looks like they've been given permission to extend the seating places because all this was free to walk on.
Whatever you want.
They should do this foot. Did they do your foot or was it just the nail? Was it not pedicure, the one you did last time? No?
At home,
Yeah.
pedicure. So it's not a massage. They deal with your skin of your feet. So they cut off the skin that's dead. And they do the nails. They cut out around the nails. And then they cut the nails and then they polish.
Yeah, it's much more pleasant, I think.
This has improved a lot here. Look at this.
Yeah,
It's
it has
beautiful.
changed.
This is natural.
Yeah, they've stolen some space for gelato or something. You can even cut through. Yeah, they've changed it a bit. There's still at the corner though.
Titanic. Feels a bit like
Go
a
to the
Titanic.
corner. Yeah.
really? It's more windy than yesterday?
Yeah. That's why I have my camera around my wrist. I hope you do have the same.
What's that one there? You got someone's house.
Oh, that's one. Probably some artists.
La Gomera.
Yeah. I'm sure that you feel like you're missing something. Seem to be
No, you killed my adventurous nature.
yeah, but to no benefits. It means that if you had accumulated millions doing it, that's extraordinary.
More tattoos than people, I tell you.
I would say. Glorious. Everyone wants to